Howdy, how are you all doing? We're sitting like this for some reason. Today, we are going to do some painting. We're going to paint some models. I have this, and you have that. When I got all of the Warhammer figures a few months back, we had a big bag of them, Tora went, "Can I paint one?" I was like, "Yeah, sure." And I've only just finished painting the batch, all of them, and I've pulled out some, but in all that time, this one has been sat on the side waiting to be painted and whatever by her. It's now August, so Space Marine with guns and all manner of stuff.
Baton.
And a baton, which could be turned into a
baguette.
No, you could probably extend it and put the flag on it. You can be a bannerman. And I've got a Deathbringer. Let's see how we do. Brushes. We have a wet palette. We have the models. Okay, that's been primed. So I sprayed it black. These have been primed in purple because my colours are purple. What colour are you painting it?
I don't know.
Well, it would help if you knew.
Multicolored.
Okay, painter over there. Go pick your paints and okay, colours picked. I've got my purples, the red and the gold. I've also got some flesh tones, the Null Oil, and I'll probably possibly use this nasty and horrendous green for the random little rodent thing. Tora has every other colour on that I own, I think, for your marine, which is going to be every colour possible. Let's get going.
Can I start?
Yes, please do. Okay, you know where to start. Do I melt it? I could just hang it so it's up in there like that. If you heat it up, it bend, won't it? Do you think I could melt it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it won't be one of my videos if I don't melt something. Bad idea. Here it goes. Trying to make it. Oh, it's on fire.
What did you think flame would do?
I've got to change the bell because the bell didn't ring, so I've now got the bell on. Using green. Right, I was trying to record that but it didn't work. So I trimmed off the little thorn there, at the top there, so I could put the bell on. How's your doing? This is the very first time Tora's ever painted a Warhammer model of this scale. I may as well just give up now, eh? Okay, we've left it to dry and now it's the next day.
Do you want me to stick into that as well?
Show me.
Hang on a minute.
Our models as painted finally. My Death Guard and Tora's Marine. What's your chapter name? What's the name of the order, the chapter? One's come up with. But are you happy with that? That's as much as you're ever going to get off Tora. But are you happy with that? So there we go. My Deathbringer with the bell, so now it rattles. What do you think? Say it. Come on.
It was interesting.
It was. Would you like to do more?
Maybe.
Could you? Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe. If you want to see that, then you should hit subscribe down there and come back next time for something different or much the same. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below. Tell us what other things we should do, paint, make, build, burn, destroy, poison ourselves with. Okay. All right. Until next time, we shall see you anon. Bye.
Flag, 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 flag. I just sung it for Milla.
You haven't?
She's called Tora. So it's got her name on her shoulder.
You of the future, is it?
Yeah, miniguns. Ha ha ha.
What? What?
I've done my signature.
I can't see. You're doing this.
Hi, honey. Somebody has a wiggly butt. Is that someone solo?
Well done. Hello. He's a nice smile. Stop moving it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a chapter.